Okay, we're doing the same thing again. Let's list out all the things we know. We know that pH, P of anything means the negative log of whatever that thing is. So P of H is equal to negative log of H's. In this case, it's H plus, hydrogen ions. How do we know what the H pluses are, the concentration of H pluses? We have the molarity of the solution, how strong the solution is. How strong is the HCl? And when you drop the HCl into water, it'll dissociate into H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Since 100% of it dissociates because it's a strong acid, it means that however much that we have right here, that's how many hydrogen ions are going to be dissolved in the solution. So a 0.001 molar solution means we have 0.001 moles of H plus ions. So the pH is equal to negative log of 0.001. What's the base? They left it off, so it's 10. Now you just do the same thing I did before. Remember that all logs have the same pattern. Log B of X equals Y. What's B? What's X? 0.001. What's Y? Negative pH. Why is it negative again? That negative sign right there, we flip it to the other side by multiplying both sides by -1. It is positive once we multiply both sides by -1. This will be negative, and then this will go away. That's what it should look like. I'll show you exactly what I mean. You ready? So then we do the same thing we did before. You cross out the log, and you switch the X and the Y. So B to the Y equals X. B is what? Y is what? Negative pH. X is what? So we have to figure out 10 to what power equals 0.001. So we know that 10 to the 0 equals 1. 10 to the -1 equals 0.1. 10 to the -2 equals 0.001. 10 to the -3 equals 0.0001, right? Did I do that right? No, I messed up once. JK LOL. Too many zeros. I went zero crazy. There we go. Now, why is this the case? Why is 10 to the -2 equal to 0.01? Because 10 to the -2 is the same thing as 1 over 10 to the 2. You guys know this from your math class? When you have negative exponents, it's the same thing as saying 1 over whatever it is to that exponent. So 10 to the -2 is equal to 1 over 10 to the 2. What's 10 to the 2? 100. So what's 1 over 100 equal to? 0.01. It's like having 1 cent out of 100 pennies. If you have 1 penny out of 100, that's $0.01, right? 1 penny. Make sense? This is how you do all your logarithms. So in this case, negative pH would be -3, and pH would be equal to what? 3. It's +3. pH is +3. That's right. Because there's already a negative sign there. Okay, your turn. Try this one, homies. Actually, you know what? Let's go on to the next part.